We watch the final shot leave. Echoes fade, the lights recede. Polished floors reflect the sky as the golden hour says goodbye. Empty racks and silent phones. We stand here, made of plastic bones, witness to the closing hour's grace. Frozen smiles upon each face. Soft open, the world invited in. Hard close, where the real games begin. We let them dream, then lock the gate, choosing who to love and who to hate. Soft open, hard close, where the lonely glamour goes. Soft open, hard close, dancing on the ice, I suppose. Soft open, hard close, nobody knows. Soft open, hard close. A shadow moves in fading light. The cleaner comes to end the night. He sweeps around my static pose, never sees me when the music flows. He hums a tune, a whispered sound, as I glide across the ground. He never looks, he doesn't see the secret life inside of me. Soft open, the world invited in. Hard close, where the real games begin. We let them dream, then lock the gate, choosing who to love and who to hate. Soft open, hard close, where the lonely glamour goes. Soft open, hard close, dancing on the ice, I suppose. Soft open, hard close, nobody knows. Soft open, hard close. This glittering cage is silent plea for someone to truly see beyond the shine, the plastic shell, this lonely moonlit retail hell.